like it. I like
It's
where
for
you're
you.
Oh, it's for me?
See, look. It says yo.
Oh, I love it. Can I take that home with me?
Yeah.
Or do I have to keep it here?
You can take it home.
Okay. Alright. Let's go to our Crown Royale.
He's not swinging.
Let me grab our breakers.
I'm just going to leave that right there. I'm going to leave it right here. Yeah.
You can leave it by my phone.
There. I'll put it on top of your phone.
Thanks. Cubbies need some runs, bud. Cubbies need some runs.
Interesting decision here by Turner. I know that Russell has some speed. You're not going to be able to turn two, but you could have got the force at second base to keep the force in order. He decided to take the out at first.
All right. We got our list here of our breakers. I tossed them in the randomizer. Do this bad boy 6 times. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5,
1 more. One more for good
6.
luck. All right, Violet. Eeks. Down to Hilger. No, don't do that, bud. Alright, toss our breakers in here. Oh, alright. Grab our teams again.
Veteran will have the call. I mean, leaders. I've always thought, Ernie, when you think about pitching, it's better to be 100% behind the wrong pitch than if you're a pitcher and be 50% behind the right pitch. So the catcher can make a suggestion, but you've got to believe it wholeheartedly or it won't work.
Alright, let me open up another list, and we will randomize the teams. We put another one boxer at Crown Royal up there if anyone's interested. It seems to sell out. The cards are pretty cool that we pulled from here. So there's also another one boxer up there of XR, if anyone wants to get in that too. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6. Bears down to the Jets. Copy those.
Yeah, my next player is up to bat. My next favorite player is up to bat.
Who's up to bat next? Javi Baez?
Yeah. Even though I would pick 3 because that's my favorite number, I still like Baez. That's why I pick Baez.
Cubbies are coming back. Alright, let's put our teams in here.
A dude's on third, I think. No, that dude stayed on first order.
Alright, here's our squads for Crown Royale. One box number 3. Violet, the Bears, the Brownies, Ding Dang, the Broncos, John, the Raiders, Hilger, the Jags, I Got Games, Saints, TRMA, Texans, LDE, Chiefs, I Got Chargers, Violet, Packers, I Got Eagles, Hilger, the Steelers, LDE, the Cowboys, George Bailey, Ravens, Lucky, Titans, Moms, Minnesota, Spence, Dolphins, Snappy, 49ers, Violet, Cardinals, LDE, the Lions, I Got Rams, Violet, the Bills, LDE, Falcons, Panthers, and Redskins, Hilder, Seattle, Lucky, the Giants, Dominic, Tampa, Snappy, Colts, Violet, the Bengals, TRMA, the Patriots, and Hilger, the Jets. What's up, Essay?
So,
Hi, Dad.
All right, you gonna cut, buddy?
Yep.
Cut away. Nice.
Bing.
Check out that D.D. Westbrook. Low number on that one. All right. 2 autos and memorabilia going out. One, two, three, four. All right, Michael Crabtree, Alshon Jeffrey, Fair, Phillip Rivers. First hit, Danny Shelton, Brownies, auto. Uh, 65 out of 149. And Alex Smith. Garbage. All right, pack number 2. Ndamukong Suh. Julio Jones. 3 Kings, the Saints. Next hit for San Diego, Melvin Gordon, rookie royalty patch. Melvin Gordon, numbered 239 out of 499. And Randy Gregory for the Cowboys. Filler. Kaepernick. Odell Beckham. Filler. Winston. Our next hit for Steelers, Sammy Coates, rookie royalty. $27 out of 199. And Quandre Diggs. Garbage. Last pack, and then we'll do the mixer. Brad, what's your question? You can't see the screen? There's other people that chimed in that said that they've been able to see the screen. I'm not dropping any frames over here either. AJ Green. I transfer between screen to screens to make sure everyone sees the randomizer and where everyone's going. Doran Grant. AJ Green. And our last hit, Ty Montgomery. Rookie royalty patch for the Packers. 79 out of 199. And Chikandrick West. Filler. And that is all she wrote for One Boxer Crown Royal number 3. Let me stop this recording.